Hi guys, this is part 3 of Clicker Game. So, the first thing you want to do is, like I've done here, you want to set amount per click to 0. And now, after you've done that, we're going to be making another upgrade today. So let's go into the sprite, costumes, and go to costumes. We want to duplicate this and put it like slightly beneath it, and we want to duplicate this and put it beneath it too. We want to do plus, and then here we want to type +1 click per sec, and then we want to slightly adjust it to make sure it fits. And then we want to set this to 1,000 clicks. And then we want to add up. So now what we're going to do is duplicate button 1. And now we want to set the Y to be different, but we don't want the X to be different. So we could just set the Y to be 59. And then we can delete the set amount per click to 0 and replace it with a new variable called CPS for all sprites. And we want to set this to 0. So, just set that to 0. So now we go into the forever loop. First thing we want to do is change all the 100 to 1000, so you can just add another 0 on the end. And we want to delete this because we're going to code it in again later. So delete this and put this if inside of the else. And then next thing we want to do is change the 75 to 115. And when mouse down, we want to set brightness to 0. And then we also want to, instead of setting amount per click to this, we want to delete that. We want to change clicks by -1000. And now we want to make a new broadcast. So go to events and then do broadcast start giving clicks. Start giving clicks. Okay. And now delete this bounce to size 64 is -2. And you want to do a not operator. You want to do an if in the control. And then inside you want to put a not operator. And then you duplicate these blocks over here. Make sure to duplicate in the middle of the or. So duplicate all these. Put them in the not. And then you want to do what you did before, so you set brightness effect to 20. So you can just duplicate, set brightness effect to 20, 25. I mean -25, sorry. And then you want to change this one right here to, oh wait, actually you want this to be -75 because we set our size to a lot smaller than I had planned. So, you just click this and your button should go into place. We can adjust our shop tab just a little bit so that it doesn't go too close to the button. And now that we finished coding that, what we want to do next is code the thing that gives us multiple clicks per second. So go to the events, and then you want to do a when you receive start giving clicks. You want to change CPS. So the new variable we made earlier, change CPS by 1. Then you want to do forever. Wait 1 second. So you want to go into the wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Change clicks by CPS. By CPS. Now, if you look, when you press the green flag and you get to 1,000 clicks. Oh goodness, what's happening here? Our clicks aren't changing. So when wait until change clicks by amount per click, and amount per click is at 1. Oh wait. Oh yeah, because I set amount per clicks to 0 earlier you want to set amount per clicks to 1. Sorry about that. So now it should change. Okay, so I'm finally at 1,000. So if we click this, oh wow, glitch, nice. So let's go to button 2. Let's check what's wrong. So if touching mouse pointer, we set bounce to size 75 with a force of 2, and it's not doing that, or changing our CPS. So oh, I see what's the problem. If it says 1,000 when it's supposed to, it says 100 when it's supposed to be 1,000 over here. So let's just change that. And now, oh goodness, now I have to press the green flag again. Okay, I have an easier way to do this. We could just set clicks to 1,000. Oh my god, bro. Wow, it's still not working? Huh, interesting. So it's not even giving us the opportunity to click it. So okay, so the size is working. Oh, I think I know what's happening. So our coin sprite has the same speed variable as our button sprite, so that's why our thing is working. But if we show this, oh wait, it's probably behind one of these. Yeah, so the speed is constant, which is not what we want. So we're going to have to replace all the speeds with a variable speed for this sprite only. For this sprite only. And that should fix it not bouncing up and down. And you can just double click on these ones so that you don't have to change the whole thing. And you just change it. Okay. So finally, that works. So now what we want to do is, as you can see here, I made some few changes. So what we want to do is make sure that this if loop is in the forever loop. We also want to make sure the bounce is in the else. So that should get your code working smoothly. So now if we set it to 1000 and then you click this, you'll see amount per click CPS goes up by 1. And if you click, you can still click. So that's going to be it for today, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.